The Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G will be released by Samsung. The release date is set for November 24, 2022. Let's talk about the requirements. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra display is 6.8 inch. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra has quad lens configuration at the back. It features a 120 megapixel primary sensor, a 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 13 megapixel RGB sensor, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. It also sports a selfie camera with a 40 megapixel sensor and LED light. You'll be able to take images with it, of course. As well as it offers 256/512 GB of storage and 12/16 GB of RAM. It runs Android 12 and is powered by the Snapdragon 888 5G mobile chipset. For the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, wireless charging is a really useful feature. You'll appreciate the fact that it can store a 7100 mAh cell that is suitable with fast charging standards when it comes to battery life. This phone contains a sensor that is both interesting and useful. It's a fingerprint scanner and face unlock that's hidden beneath the screen. GSM, 3G, HSPA+, LTE, and 5G are all supported by the phone's dual SIM. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Type-C port, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and compass are among the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's key features. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave comment below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video, as well as press the bell button to be notified of new videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch.